and welcome to the McCall studio. Happy holidays. We are here to have you guys with us for another Christmas video. We're going to be decorating something really fun together today. This is actually something that you can display at your holiday event and eat. So it's a 2-in-1. I've got all my ingredients in front of me today. I'm going to take you guys through all the supplies. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you guys do subscribe below. We have lots of fun holiday content coming, and the New Year's just around the corner too. So let's get started. If you haven't guessed already, we are going to be decorating our very own Christmas cupcake tower. So we've got a stand along with a 6-inch decorated cake on top here. If you guys do want to know how we decorate our cakes, you can watch some of our previous videos. We show you how to stack and decorate them beautifully. So we've got our cake ready to go. We've got McCall's sprinkles from their holiday collection, which we are going to be using today. The McCall's buttercream, which I've gone ahead and colored already using the leaf green and the black. I like to add a little bit of black because I feel like it brings out that deeper tone that we're going for. We don't want something too bright. And then we've of course got some beads here, some royal icing decorations, and then we're also going to be going in and filling it up so that it looks really nice and full. It's a showstopper at your holiday party or your holiday event, and you can eat it too. So we'll start with our decoration. We're gonna have about 22 to 24 cupcakes on the stand. I've got a mix of chocolate and vanilla, and you can go ahead and decorate them however you'd like. We are going to be doing some beautiful rosettes, kind of like what you see on this cake at the top, and then we're gonna be topping it off with some sprinkles. So I like to start my rosettes in the center and then work my way around the cupcake. So we've got our first one there. And then to this, we can just start and top it off with some sprinkles. So I'm gonna start to decorate them and you guys can follow along. Our first cupcake, really simple, really easy. It's nothing too over the top and you can easily do this at home. And we're gonna be alternating between our white and our green buttercream to give it that touch that we're going for the holidays. That is what you call a perfect rosette. And to the white ones, I think I'm gonna add some more green decor. So we'll add a nice royal icing decoration there, and then a sprinkle and some white snowflakes. So each cupcake will have its own little decor, and we can kind of have fun with it. There's so many sprinkle options, and there's so many little royal icing decorations here too. One of my favorite things to do on cupcakes is alternate between big and small sprinkles. So on this cupcake, I put 1 mm pearls. These are really small pearls. And on the cupcake that I did before, I used some that are slightly bigger. It gives each cupcake a different look, which I really like. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna decorate these bottom 2 tiers here, and then we'll be back to start to fill this guy up. All right, our last cupcake is done. I'm just gonna get this all cleaned up so I can show you how we're gonna go in and bring this to the next level with some extra decoration. And we're back to finish off our Christmas cupcake tower. In front of me here, I do have some vine that I got from the dollar store. So you can use anything you have at home, or you can pick up something at your local dollar store. And we're gonna be using this to fill our tower. We also have some ornaments and some candy canes if we wanna fill it up some more. And you're gonna need some scissors. So with the scissors, we're gonna cut small bits of our vine. It's really easy to cut if you have a good pair of scissors at home. And with this, we're gonna be using it to fill the gaps in between our cupcakes. And I really like this vine because it has little touches of red in it. Almost looks like little flowers growing. So we're just gonna keep snipping and we're gonna go through and fill in any gap we see. We've got quite a bit of vine to work with, so don't be shy. So as you can see, it's really coming together with all the little fillings. our cupcake tower is all done, and I'm telling you, going that extra little mile and adding the touch of the vines, candy canes, and ornaments really brings it to life. If I walked into a holiday party and I saw this, I would be like, wow, you really put in work for that. But it was as easy as you guys watched us make it here today using all the McCall's products, and it's so easy to serve, a quick grab and go, and you can also cut your cake at the end of your event to give your guests some more servings. If you guys did enjoy watching this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more holiday content coming, and we'll see you guys here very soon. Bye guys!